Hey there! Ready to dive into something kind of cool about math? Today, we're talking all about factors and multiples. Trust me, it's more fun than it sounds. So get this, numbers have secrets. They have hidden connections and codes just waiting to be cracked. Think of yourself as a detective, and our mission today, it's to uncover all the clues that numbers are leaving for us. And there it is, your official mission briefing. By the time we're done here, you are going to be a top-notch factors and multiples detective. You'll have all the skills you need to solve any number mystery that comes your way. Okay, let's get right into our first case. We're on the hunt for numbers that are secretly hiding inside of other numbers. And these little secret numbers? Well, they're called factors. So what even is a factor? It's pretty simple, actually. Factors are just the numbers you multiply together to get a bigger number. They're kind of like the Lego bricks that build it. All right, let's put on our detective hats and investigate the number 12. How do we find its factors? Well, you always start with the easy one, 1 times the number itself, so 1 times 12. Got it. Then we check the next number. Does 2 work? Yep, 2 times 6. How about 3? For sure, 3 times 4. And once you see the numbers getting this close together, you know you found them all. And here it is, our complete case file on the number 12. If we line up all those numbers we found, from smallest to biggest, we get the full list of factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are every single one of the secret numbers hidden inside 12. Now here's a super useful trick for your detective toolkit. The fastest way to know if a number is a factor? See if it divides the number perfectly. If you get a clean answer with absolutely no remainder, bingo, you found a factor. Okay, case number 2. We're going to switch things up a bit. Instead of looking inside a number, we're going to follow the trail a number leaves behind when it grows and grows. We're now officially tracking its multiples. So multiples are basically what you get when you start skip counting. You just take a number and multiply it by 1, then by 2, then by 3, and you just keep going. Let's try it with the number 5. First up on its trail, 5 times 1 is, of course, 5. What's next? Easy. 5 times 2, that gives us 10. We're still hot on the trail. 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 4 gets us to 20. You see the pattern here? This trail just keeps on going. And that is the biggest clue about multiples. Unlike factors, where you have a nice, neat list, the trail of multiples is infinite. It literally goes on forever and ever. You could keep counting for the rest of your life. All right, detectives, this is it, the moment of truth. We've investigated factors, we've tracked multiples. Now let's lay out all the evidence side by side and finally solve the big mystery. What is the difference? Here we go. Look, factors are the smaller numbers that fit perfectly into another number. They're finite. There's the set list. But multiples, they're the results you get from multiplying a number, making it bigger and bigger and bigger. That list is infinite. That's the whole case right there. Okay, now it's your turn in the hot seat. This is your first official case as lead detective. So, which number is a factor of 18? Is it 4 or is it 3? Come on, think about it. Which one divides in there perfectly? Case solved. It's 3. Why? Because 3 times 6 gives you exactly 18. 4 doesn't work. You'd have a remainder. Fantastic work. Ready for your next case? This one's about multiples. Which of these numbers is a multiple of 7? Is it 21 or 23? Think about that trail. Which number would you land on if you were skip counting by 7? And you've cracked it again. It's 21, of course, because 7 times 3 is exactly 21. 23 isn't even on the map for the number 7. Okay, let's do a quick debrief of the mission. What did we learn? Factors divide a number exactly. Multiples are what you get when you multiply a number. And most importantly, you have officially solved the case of factors versus multiples. Congratulations, detective! So, I'll leave you with one final mystery to solve on your own time. Now that you're a pro, what are the factors of your age? Go on, give it a shot. Thanks for cracking the case with me today, and keep those detective skills sharp.